Now for the blue ones. Here they come. Whee!
And now we add the secret ingredient, 2 perfect blue gumballs. Here they go. Here they come. Oh, this is gonna be the best gumball pitcher ever. Look at all the colors.
Whee! That looks wonderful.
Okay, let's see what happens when we turn this on. Here we go.
The vortex slows, the gumballs settle. Now for the fun part, let's lift it up. Oh my goodness, look at this. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. The orange bubbles bulge out, and then a slow release, they slide right back in. Close the door and press the pink button. Woohoo! It's starting to spin. And voila! Much better. Much better. And lift. Up we go. Whee! This is fun. Beep, beep.
Hey, check this out. Nice and smooth. You can really see the shine on that yellow paint, right?
Okay, everyone, time to dive in. I'm looking for the perfect pink one. Aha! Got it! Look at this amazing mesh texture.
Perfect placement. Now let's give it a zap and watch the magic happen. All right, let's pull it open. Here we go. Look at that.
Check this out, Bumper. Isn't she great?
Oh boy, a pink taxi! We're gonna have so much fun! Wow! Look at all the gumballs rushing down to fill the space! Isn't that amazing physics, everyone?
Oh, wow! Look at this shiny new ambulance! I can't wait to play with it!
Wow! Look what I found in the microwave! It's the blue ambulance! Isn't that amazing?
Woohoo! Look what I've got! The ambulance is here. Now the rescue fleet is complete and ready for action.
Okay, are you ready? Let's open this up and see the amazing colors inside. Wow, look at all of them!
Ready to dive in. Whoa, look at them roll! And now we pull it out. Look at all the colorful gumballs we caught.
Whoa, check this out. It stretches forever. And then it squishes right back up. How does it do that?
Okay, everyone, let's see what's cooking in Sparky's microwave. Ready? Here we go! Wow, look at that light!